Hi guys, welcome to 3 Minutes with Chris. Today I want to talk to you about how much you are worth. Tell you a short story. When I was 13 years old, um, my mom and dad had split up, and I was living with my dad in a condo part of the time, and there was 38 units, and with garages, 2 stories. My dad came to me one day and he said, Chris, they're looking for somebody to clean the gutters here at the condos. And I was like, oh, okay. He says it pays $75. I said to clean all the gutters, and he said, yeah, and you got to do the garages too. So I did those 38 units, and I had done them for free back then because it was cool climbing up on the roofs. And I just thought that was the greatest thing in the world. It took me half a day, and I made $75. Now, granted, back in 1979, that was a lot of money. With inflation, it's probably about the equivalent to about $450 now. But what I want to kind of convey to you is, and you need to ask yourself this question: how much am I worth an hour? And I know, and I'm embarrassed to say this, but because I know the value out I can add in a service company cleaning roofs, I can tell you exactly how much I'm worth. About $450 an hour is what I know I could go make if I wanted to go out and do that still. But the problem with that is we put a cap on it, and there was a day that I would not have charged anybody more than $40, $50 an hour because I would be embarrassed and I would be feeling like I'm taking advantage of them. I remember when Josh and I teamed up with Birds Beware. I used to clean gutters for $40, $30 a house because it was so easy for me. I'd climb right up on the roof, take my blower, and just blow the stuff out. I'd be done in 15 minutes. Well, Josh had a $99 minimum on gutter cleaning because he hated to do it, and it was really hard for me to take that money. But you have to think about it in a different way. You're giving people the value of knowing that these gutters are cleaned out and they're not going to have roof problems over the winter time. They're not going to have ice dams and stuff happen. So it's really, I don't know whatever number that you came up with, but I really think you need to think about that very hard, and I would ask you to double that. It really has nothing to do with how much you make an hour. It's how much value that you bring to the equation for the end user. If you're doing a luxury service for somebody, and you can bring the feeling of a Rolls Royce to cleaning somebody's windows, where you're pristine hat and uniform, you're giving a nice gift when you're leaving, and people feel pampered. People that have a lot of money, they love that, and they'll refer you because they love to refer that kind of stuff, and you can make a lot more than $30, $40 an hour. So I just want to caution you on setting a limit to what you make an hour. Look at the value that you can give to people, and don't set a limit. $600, $700, $800 an hour. People are making it all day long, every day, and you can too. Hope that helps. Have a great day.